Hello everyone, my name is Ari Shetty. I went to the bottle factory. Then there were small bottles. They put in the machine. Then it became into big bottle. Then there was a machine about water. Then what they kept, then they put plastic in it. That's all. I went to water factory and I saw small bottles and big bottles in it, and there was lot of water in it, and they were packed. Okay. My name is Satvik. I visit to bottle factory. I see more machines. One machine we can fill the water bottle. One more machine we have to 24 bottles in one machine, and we will pack that machine. And there is one small bottle like cup. It will be take one machine. It will come to big bottle. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Adiyaba Pradeep. We went to the bottle factory and there was a small bottles, and they manufactured the big bottles, and there was a machine and there was coming like this, and we went to the bottle factory and we come to school here and we are recording now.
Hello, my name is Advik. We go to field trip. The bottle is small, then it'll get big, and they fill the water in the big bottle. Then they put the cap and they put the sticker. 24 bottles in packed. And they were loaded. Hello, my name is Purna. Visit to bottle factory. I see there is a bottle and spilling water with the machine. Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth. Today I went to bottle factory. I saw how they made bottle. First they were having one small bottle. They put it in one machine and it will go and it will heat it up, and the door will make it into a bottle. Then they will give to fill the bottle and make a big packet. Then they will take one bottle, put it there in the machine. They will fill water. Then they'll put the cap. Then they'll put the cover. Then they'll move it